welcome back to my channel and thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. I know this background looks a bit different, but I'm in my living room area. In today's video, I'm going to be moving out. Finally, it is almost time for me to go home. I have one more assignment left before it's time for me to leave, and then I'm officially done for my third year at UWI. So it's actually kind of crazy to think about this because your girl is almost finished. What is this noise? Your girl is almost finished with college, but you know, anyway, today's going to be part one of my moving out series. I am going to be working on my desk with my books, my study desk with most of my electronics and stuff like that, and my fridge and the disaster that is my closet. So the goal is to, one, pack up everything, and two, take out what I am going to be taking back home, because I need to start carrying majority of my stuff back to Antigua, so it's easier for me when I'm officially finished with school. I think I mentioned this in my regret video, 5 things that I regret walking with to college, and I mentioned that I would film the solution to what I am going to do with most of the stuff that I have here. So yes, if you like videos like this, please subscribe down below, please hit that bell button so you will never miss when I post a new video. And with that, let's get started. This is the first time I've been in town in months. It's so weird being outside. So this is what we're going to work with first. My airplane is on, clearly. Okay, so I gave up halfway because I didn't really know what to do with my books, and I decided to just leave all of them here until I'm officially finished with school, because as of right now I'm not sure what I should keep and what I should throw away, or if I should even throw away stuff. And I have a lot of school supplies here still, so I don't want to take the chance of just bringing in and throwing away stuff. So I'm just going to put them in boxes and then I'll just pack them outside. Okay, so I had this big box under my mattress, so I'm just going to put it together and then I'm going to pack all of the books in here. Okay, so we have on the airplane right now. So I am officially done with my book area. I have everything in my, well, most of my things in my box. So now I'm going to move on to my table area. I have a bunch of junk. Going on here. So I'm going to try to clear all of that out right now. Okay, we are back to another day. This is day 2 of this packing series. Last night I only got this table done, and our outside fridge. My roommate and I cleaned it. Oh, I should just show you guys. So she's leaving today. Today's Friday, and so I was helping her like just rearrange some stuff. Cleaned it so it's nice and clean. My plan for today is to clean out my closets and maybe my dresser and the fridge. Those are the 3 things I want to tackle today, to get them in boxes, to get them in suitcases, and to transfer to the outside fridge and clean this fridge right here. Yes, let's get started. Okay, so I have on the same clothes that I had on yesterday because I didn't want to dirty extra clothes. Let's get started. Oh gosh. So I officially cleared the closet, the top and the bottom part. I just put them in this container here. So these are what I'm left with. These are the gifts from my mom and my dad, and I'm just taking this cake home because I want it and it expires in September, so I'm gonna just take it with me. So now I'm gonna focus on getting these clothes out of the closet. Decided to leave all these 2 because I'm just gonna wear them to the airport. Okay, honestly, I'm all over the place with packing up. I'm getting a bit flustered, frustrated. I feel